one of the things, with FANUC, anything and everything is manufactured now with automation. It's just the way life is now. A wise man once told me, innovate or evaporate. And anymore, any of those companies that are not innovating or automating eventually will evaporate. We live in a world now, a competitive global world, where you have to automate to be successful and globally impactful. So some of the things I took, from FANUC is we saw everything. Like I mentioned, aerospace to cow milking. And what's ironic there is a lot of the things you'll learn in packaging or assembly actually translate to other industries. So for instance, cow milking, some of those technologies we took from aerospace, put a different end effector on the robot, and you're scrubbing udders or disinfecting udders or handling eggs, or, I mean, you name it. Innovation, I think, is everywhere. But, anymore, I think robots are becoming more of a commodity. That's another reason I really was grateful for the opportunity to go to SAE is, think of a robot as the engine of a car. An integrator then builds the car around it. And that's the solution. So, it's nice to be now where I can, sell the robot or, implement the robot, but also implement the full solution. So the full scale of the system. And back to the airframe drilling, it was great to sell the robot. I actually sold them those robots, and now I'm part of the team that's implementing them. But it's nice to have part of the solution, not just the robot itself.